Accent Pacifica, a transformative course in vocal resonance development. Elevate your public speaking and performance prowess by unlocking the hidden power of your voice. From breath control to articulation, master the art of projection, ensuring your words reach every corner of the room. Whether a novice or seasoned speaker, join us on this dynamic journey and unleash the true resonance of your voice.
Kia ora, maloi lele, talofa lava, kia orana, bulavanaka, konnichiwa, kumusta. In the interests of time, we'll end our salutations here. Nevertheless, welcome to Lesson 1. My name is Kimi, your host throughout this course, and if I fail to acknowledge you in your L1 language, aroha mai, for in this space, all are welcome and respected without bias, and it is in the spirit of inclusivity that we share what knowledge we have, confident it will be of some value. The ability to greet you in various languages originates from the vowel systems prevalent in Pacific nations and other languages. This common framework facilitates accurate pronunciation and cultural authenticity. Languages such as Hawaiian, Samoan, and Maori showcase similar vowel structures, making transitions between them easier for learners. The pure vowels e, e, a, o, and u provide a clear framework for learning pronunciation across languages. Each vowel has a distinct articulatory position, which is key to developing phonetic awareness. This awareness allows students to differentiate and produce similar sounds accurately. By focusing on these pure vowels, learners can achieve phonetic literacy, significantly improving their pronunciation and communication skills. English, on the other hand, features a complex vowel system and irregularities. Diphthongs are combinations of two vowel sounds within the same syllable, involving a glide from one vowel sound to another. This fluidity often proves challenging for students from languages with stricter syllable rules. English has a tendency to reduce unstressed vowels, often to what's called a schwa sound. Again, this can prove challenging for learners as they may not be familiar with the concept of vowel reduction. In fluent English, words typically blend together in connected speech, often omitting or changing sounds, making it hard for learners to recognize and produce words correctly in natural conversation. English has many words that are not spelled phonetically, meaning the way a word is written does not consistently indicate how it sounds. A pure vowel system for developing a neutral English accent is the foundation on which this course is being presented, a strategy we believe will prove of significant value for L2 English learners and others wishing to improve or reduce their current accent. This strategy may not suit all. The International Phonetic Alphabet is a system of phonetic notation that provides a standardized representation of the sounds of spoken language, widely used by linguists, language teachers, and speech therapists to accurately transcribe the sounds of languages around the world. The IPA vowel grid is a convenient aid for understanding the relationships between different vowel sounds and their production. Overlaid on an anatomical representation of the speech mechanism, the grid helps visualize where each vowel sound is produced. The vertical axis represents the height of the tongue during vowel production. The top of the chart indicates high vowels, with the tongue positioned high in the mouth, and the bottom indicates low vowels, with the tongue positioned low. The horizontal axis represents the front-back dimension of vowel articulation. The left side corresponds to the vowels produced with the tongue positioned forward in the mouth, while the right side corresponds to the back vowels, with the tongue pushed back. Quadrants within the grid approximate the sound center of each vowel, combining the vertical and horizontal coordinates to produce sounds that are high front, mid front, central, low back, mid back, and high back. The vocal tract is the anatomical structure within the human body that is involved in producing speech sounds. It includes various parts such as the larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity, oral cavity, which is the mouth, and of particular importance at this time, the articulators. The hard palate is the bony upper front part of the oral cavity, forming a barrier between the mouth and the nasal passages. It plays a crucial role in speech clarity by providing a surface for the tongue to articulate sounds, particularly consonants. This structure aids in the proper resonance and modulation of vocal sounds, enhancing overall speech intelligibility. The terms soft palate and velum are often used interchangeably, as they refer to the same anatomical structure. However, velum specifically describes the portion of the soft palate that is involved in the movement and function during swallowing, active in vocalization by controlling airflow between the oral and nasal cavities. During speech, the velum is raised to close off the nasal passages, enabling proper articulation of certain sounds, particularly consonants. This regulating action also helps prevent overnasality in speech and contributes to the clarity and quality of vocalization. The tongue is a vital muscular organ in the mouth that plays a crucial role in achieving speech clarity. It engages in precise movements to manipulate airflow and sound production, shaping both consonant and vowels. By adjusting its position and posture, the tongue influences articulation, ensuring clear pronunciation. Its ability to swiftly transition between different positions enhances the intelligibility of speech, making it essential for effective communication. Additionally, the tongue's coordination with other speech organs contributes to overall vocal clarity. The lips are highly mobile and play a crucial role in producing sounds like P, B, and M, also active in shaping the O and OO vowel sounds. The position of the lips during vowel production is important because it can significantly affect the sound of the vowel. lip rounding can change the resonance of the vocal tract, leading to distinct vowel qualities. The jaw facilitates speech by providing support for the tongue and lips during articulation. It adjusts its position to create different sounds by opening and closing, allowing for the production of various phonemes, the smallest units of sound. The movement of the jaw also influences the resonance and clarity of spoken language. Considering the information discussed, let's revisit our 5 primary vowels, familiarize ourselves with their assigned symbols and their technical names. Remember, the technical names of vowels tell 3 things about a sound: the height of the tongue, where that portion of the tongue is positioned laterally, and the attitude of the lips. There is one more aspect of the tongue to do with muscular tension. That subject we will cover in our next discussion. But regarding the symbol for E, its technical name describes it as being high front unrounded. The technical name for the vowel sound E is mid front unrounded. Vowel sound A is low back rounded. O is mid back rounded, and U high back rounded. Congratulations on making it through our first session. Let's head over to the workout area.